It's me, Gabriel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whatever country or from whatever place you are watching this video from. Welcome to your 21st tutorial Asia. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add links, how to add music to links. Like, you want to create a website about music, like the person will click the link before the music will show. I'm just going to teach you the way to add that, and for that we are going to use the href, which is the href. Okay, in this place, our last video, our previous video, we inserted URL of some video, some folders on the rest. But in this video, we are going to be inserting the URL or the uniform resource locator of some musics. I'm just going to add some of my songs. Okay, I'll add my songs. Hey, properties, and you know where to find the URL of anything. I'll copy that, take it, and paste it. You can see it now. So I'll just add another, which is I'll just add the name of the song, which is just quiet. Okay, now close it. Okay, after that, I'll hit the save button again. I'll bring this down, open this with Google Chrome. Okay, let me open this. Okay, now you can see those. Now I click it, you can see the song is being played. You can see this one that it's all as playback speed. It is normal. The voice, which is the volume, the play button, the seek bar, and all the rest. Now, how to add folders of music into your web page, which I've taught you, but that was how to add folders on your documents or from your local storage, which we are going to just add that. And I forgot to add something, which is the picture. Please enjoy yourself with this interesting song. Okay, I'll just save this, hit my save button again, refresh my page. I'll just go back. Please enjoy yourself with this interesting song. I'll click it, the song begins to play.
Notice me,
pause the song, remove that. Okay, I'll just have to add the URL of the folder which I've taught you on that, which is just click me, then this. Okay, with the song world not going well. Okay, I'll go to my musics. Let's go to my musics, copy the URL of this folder, which are just properties and security. Copy the URL and paste the URL, and you can see this corrupted file, which we are going to remove it. And please don't forget to insert what we call the div. Now save this again, open this with the Google Chrome. Okay, I'll click it. You can see now, you can see my folder. You can see the folder of some musics. You can see this, you can see the folder of music, which is, you can see, show the MB, the space, the time, the date it was inserted in this. I can just click any of them, which is this. The song start to play. So let's go back and song play and all the rest. So this is the end of this video. Instead of draw the curtain, so I'm gonna do it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates on HTML and all the rest. Please, thank you.